I got these great pieces of jewelry from Pearl Vibe that I wanted to show you. It's a company that sells jewelry from freshwater pearls. They're beautiful. So first off is this pearl pendant necklace. It's a single pearl on a gold chain. It looks like it's probably a 16-inch chain, if I had to guess. I put it on off camera because I'm terrible at that, but I got it on. It's so pretty. It's such a nice length. I think it's 16 inches if I had to guess. And it's just got a single pearl that slides. It's lovely. The next are these earrings. And they're unique because this dangly part actually connects to the backs. And there's a pearl on the post for the front. So let me show you. Okay, I got them on off camera. I always have to do it in the mirror. But it's cute because, okay, so the pearl stud is the front and the string of pearls hooks to the back. So it dangles from the back end. And you can tighten up the back if you need to, depending on how your holders set, you might need to, so that it doesn't, tip up too much. It's so pretty. Look at it with this. The last piece I have to show you is a string of pearls on a bracelet. And it's got a beautiful, like, filigree silver clasp that you loosen that and then it slides off. Okay, I got it on. It's a beautiful string of pearls with a lovely clasp. So this whole set together is just terrific. And I'm gonna give you a good look at those earrings and the necklace. The freshwater pearls, they're not perfectly round. Some of them are, irregular shaped, but that's okay. It's a pretty pearl. Most pearls, even perfectly round ones, are freshwater pearls these days anyway. So, beautiful clasp. It reminds me of sort of a vintage style clasp with that filigree detailing on there. And again, the company is Pearl Vibe. And I suggest you check them out. The prices are terrific, and they have lots of different styles of necklaces and earrings, bracelets. Terrific selection. I love it specifically because I'm a June birthday, and by some calendars, pearl is the birthstone for June. So this is perfect for me. It's so pretty.